If you want to play itch.io games without downloading anything, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to find browser-based games on itch.io and launch them instantly right from your web browser. This is perfect if you want to try games quickly, save storage space, or just avoid installing files on your computer. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick and useful tech and gaming guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to the itch.io web games section at itch.io/games/platform-web. This page is specifically made for games that run directly in your browser, so it's the fastest place to start if you don't want to download anything. Once the page loads, you'll see a list of games you can play immediately online. You can scroll through the collection, browse by genre, and click any game that looks interesting. Now, if you're on the main itch.io library instead of the web games page, there's another quick way to tell whether a game can be played in browser. Look for the red badge that says Play in Browser. This tag usually appears right beneath the game title, and it means the game supports instant browser play. That little badge is important because it helps you avoid games that require downloading or installing before you can start. Once you find a game with the Play in Browser tag, click on the games page to open it. On the game page, you should see a web player built right into the page. Depending on the game, the button may say Run Game, click to start, or something very similar. Just press that button and the game will launch instantly in your browser. No setup, no installation, and no waiting around for downloads. If the game needs to load for a moment, give it a few seconds, especially if it's a larger browser game. After that, you should be able to start playing right away. This makes itch.io a great place to discover indie games, experimental games, and fun quick play titles without taking up space on your device. So the whole process is simple. Go to the web game section, look for the Play in Browser badge, open the game page, and click Run Game or click to start. That's all you need to do to play itch.io games without downloading. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.